Hi, today I'm just going to show you how to assemble the beams into the BiG series. That's the BiG 200, BiG 340, BiG 400 and BiG 800. So first of all, you need a BiGDUG mallet. It needs to be a dead blow mallet because these beams are pretty tough and they need quite a tap to get them home into the keyhole. It's also really important that you assemble the shelving or racking on a solid floor so that you don't get banked when you're hitting the beams into the uprights. So first of all, I'm going to take a side beam, hold it into the upright and make sure that it's absolutely horizontal before I start to tap the beam into the upright. It's critical that that is horizontal. It looks as though the tabs aren't poking all the way through, but when you start to tap the beam, they will engage into the upright. Like so. So when you come to fit the long beams, that's the front and back beams on the BiG series shelving, some of them are quite long, so it's always best to get a helper in to make sure they're absolutely horizontal when you come to fit them. So again, make sure you press the tabs into the keyhole before you start to engage into the upright. Make sure they're perfectly horizontal and then tap them into position. And just the same on the other side. And that's it, job done.